Everyone in some way is influenced by their environment. Because I was raised on Fort Myers Beach, I've developed a strong love for the water and an interest in protecting my environment. The results of my class studies show that 80% of my audience agrees that environment has an effect on a person's choices in life. I also learned that most of my audience has an interest in protecting the environment. For my introduction speech, I'm going to talk about growing up on Fort Myers Beach, my interest in preserving the environment, most particularly coral reefs. I will begin with growing up on Fort Myers Beach. Since I was raised on Fort Myers Beach, it's no surprise that I love the water. I enjoy anything that has to do with the water, including wakeboarding, skiing, scuba diving, and fishing. My parents also share a strong love for the water, and ever since I can remember, I have been involved in these water sports, my favorite of which is scuba diving. I took a scuba course and became certified when I was 10 years old. I couldn't wait to dive the beautiful, clear waters of the Florida Keys. My family and I started diving in the Florida Keys whenever we could get down there. I learned how to catch lobster, catch dolphin, and how to explore the beautiful reefs of Key Largo. Because of these experiences, I developed a strong interest in learning about these beautiful reefs. I learned that some of the reefs were suffering from a process called bleaching. When I was in high school, I won 3rd place in the science fair. For my project, I did 2 dives. The first dive was on French Reef, where I noticed the healthy coral and lots of marine life. My first slide shows a picture taken at French Reef. Notice the colorful fish and coral. The second reef I dove was Dry Rocks. As you can see from this next slide, the staghorn coral had been killed. Unlike French Reef, where I counted a large number of fish, Dry Rocks is almost deserted. After graduating, I continued going to the Keys. I began doing research on why these reefs were dying. My interest in the water began when I was very young, being surrounded by water. I hope that I can spend time in the future helping to preserve these natural wonders. I hope in these last few minutes I've been able to share with you some of the things that have made me who I am.